The largest pizza has a total surface area of 1,261.65 square meters, 13,580.28 ft squared, and was prepared by Dovilio Nardi, Andrea Manassi, Marco Nardi, Matteo Nardi and Matteo Gianna, all Italy, from NI Food at Fire Roma, in Rome, Italy, on December 13, 2012. The pizza was named Ottavia, the word of Roman origin for eighth son, as a homage to the first Roman emperor Octavian Augustus, who represented an epoch-making change in the history of Rome and brought the empire into a period of economic and cultural unrest. Ottavia was 100% gluten-free, educating and spreading a message to the whole world about the importance of health-conscious food choices. A gluten-free diet can have a variety of health benefits, including improving cholesterol levels, promoting digestive health, and increasing energy levels.